Would you rather have bad breath and body odor the entire day or be completely naked?
I'll be butt naked all day long.
Have lived 100 years in the future or 100 years in the past?
100 years in the future.
In the past, I'll invent everything.
Okay, you ready, big guys?
Oh yeah!
Would you rather not use your computer for a month or not eat junk food for a
Not
month?
eat junk food.
I eat junk
I'd be
food.
really
Not
nosy.
use the computer.
Would you rather have only 2 close friends or many acquaintances?
What does that mean?
Too close
Acquaintances.
A bunch of acquaintances.
What does acquaintances mean?
Rather be known as the best student in your school or be the captain of one of the sports teams?
Captain.
Yeah, me too.
Best student at school.
Captain.
Always have to sing instead of speaking or dance everywhere you went?
0.
Sing. Instead of saying.
0.
Yes, what do you want?
I don't like singing or dancing.
Or you would have to dance everywhere you went?
No, either word doesn't sound that bad for me. I do it anyway.
I know.
I don't like
Layla
doing
for
that.
you.
What did you
I
want?
go. I'm like, it's walking like this. Sit in my chair like.
Would you rather be the star basketball player on your school's losing team or sit on the bench all season with your school's winning team?
The star losing team.
Winning team.
The star in the losing team.
What?
I still get a scholarship.
Why losing?
You want me to read it again, Leila?
Why losing? Why do you want to lose?
I did the
Star
star
on
on
the
the team.
Oh,
I'm still gonna do
I'd be the greatest loser instead of the worst one.
Would you rather save your country from an invasion or from a terrible disease?
it.
Like you mean invasion, like an alien invasion?
I guess.
Like another country invasion.
Whatever
I
invasion.
know, however your brain visualizes
I
it.
picture aliens.
But there's no wrong
I
answers.
picture rebels.
I'd rather save the
Like
human
ISIS.
race. from aliens.
ISIS.
Mm.
I would rather save them from.
Woo!
Okay, ready for this one?
Yeah.
What did say?
What?
You never said.
Would you rather have bad breath and body odor the entire day or be completely naked?
I'll be butt naked all day long.
They're both so embarrassing. I think I would probably take the bad breath and body odor.
What? Because no one will tell you
I would
that your
rather
breath
have
stinks and
bad
you
breath
stink.
and body odor than be
You'd
naked.
rather walk around naked?
No one will tell me if my breath stinks and that I stink.
Sure,
Okay,
you
but they're gonna
stink.
laugh at
I
you
will-
because you're
but-
butt naked.
Better than them laughing because I stink. I won't know why
That's
they're
a lot
laughing.
of eyes,
I'll know.
man.
I'll know
That's
why they're
a lot of
laughing if
eyes.
I'm butt naked.
That's too much.
I'll be like, they're just laughing because I'm naked. I won't be like, why are you guys laughing at me?
Everybody
Hey,
can know what your
hey.
butt looks like.
In the mind of Tony.
It's cool to know what your butt looks like.
I'd rather have deodorant
We didn't
than
say
that.
at school. We said all day.
How much do you mean?
Body odor
For all
and
you know, I
bad
could
breath.
be in the house
Yeah,
that
I
whole
just
day.
won't talk to people that day.
Yeah, you just stay
Like-
away from everybody.
Can't help
But you
it
don't
anymore.
know. You don't know when you stink.
You are
If
gonna
you're
know you
naked,
stink.
everyone's gonna see you.
But I'll know I'm naked.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Wait.
Would you rather all the members of the opposite sex liked you, like all the girls liked you? Would you rather have all the girls like you,
All the girls
or
like me.
have the prettiest girlfriend but she's really dumb?
That question makes no sense.
Hey, they asked it.
The people
If
like
all the girls like me, then the prettiest and dumbest girl likes me too.
Yes, but she would be your girlfriend.
Should be a girl.
But she's you can have all the girls like you, but they're all ugly,
Or just a dummy.
or have the prettiest girl but
If
she's
Oh,
dumb.
but
you
they're all
think all the
ugly?
girls were ugly,
No,
all
it's
the girls like me.
but you.
alright, so in my mind, those girls are ugly.
Okay,
I would assume that.
All
the girls
the
like me.
girls like me.
That's what I want.
okay.
So just-
All the girls like me.
Boys,
I would
boys.
rather have all the boys like me than have a dumb boyfriend.
Okay. Would you rather be very short or extremely tall?
Very short.
Really tall.
I'm looking for my dad. He's very short.
Short.
You want to be short, or are you just coming to grips with the fact that you're going to be
How-
short?
How are we talking really short? Like, how short are we talking?
Tall.
It doesn't
Like a
specify.
midget?
It doesn't
Or
specify.
just a short person, like Kevin Hart? I'd rather be short.
I'd rather be tall.
Okay. Would you rather have overly large hands or very small feet?
Very small feet.
The kids.
No.
Very small,
Overly large hands.
NBA players have overly large hands. And they're NBA players.
small
I have
feet.
small feet.
Me too.
It's not gonna be like Mickey Mouse.
Either eat a small can of dog food or 6 overripened bananas.
Banana.
Overripe.
Overripe bananas.
They're just brown.
We can fry them.
They're good.
They're not. They didn't say platinum.
Yeah, but dog food, huh? Dogs.
Aren't they
Yeah,
sweeter?
yeah. I'd rather eat.
I tried one
bananas.
time.
No, not regular bananas.
I'm gonna fry them.
Oh, I like bananas. Right?
Would you rather have to eat a bowl full of worms or a live frog?
Zero.
Live frog.
How big is the frog?
A bowl full
It
of
doesn't
worms.
say how big the frog is.
A bowl full of worms.
The frog.
I heard frog tastes like chicken.
Who said it was
Okay.
cooked?
It's an alive
It's-
frog.
Who said
Oh,
it
you're
was
right. You're right.
frog?
You're right. Oh,
How big is the frog?
Ew, no, I can't do that.
I don't know.
Worms.
Nice
I can't do
little
that.
frogs.
Kids
It doesn't say.
frog.
It just
Little
says.
frog.
General,
I eat
general
little
frog.
frog.
I'd rather eat zero.
Yeah, but you have to pick one. That's the problem.
What's the point?
I would eat a bowl of worms.
Me too.
Me too.
I eat the frog.
You like the frog?
A little frog.
A little frog.
Can I have a little frog?
You could see yourself biting into a live frog.
A bowl of worms, mom. Like with a spoon. You see yourself spooning worms
I
into your
could.
mouth?
Okay.
Forking.
I can't see myself. I mean, worms are live, but they're like, they're not like a frog.
They're just like,
But you eat poop.
Yeah, Tony will be eating poop too if he eats the frog.
And then it's insides.
All right,
no,
we're moving on.
stop.
Would you rather live on a planet or beneath the sea?
Planet.
We need to
Being
see.
on a planet. We already live on a planet.
Yeah. On a planet.
Underneath the sea level?
Or beneath the sea?
Oh, like you'd be a mermaid?
Yeah.
If you live beneath the sea, you live on a planet.
I'd rather live on a planet.
Why you gotta be so technical?
I'd rather be a mermaid.
I want
I'd
to
rather
live
be a
on a
human.
planet beneath the sea.
Me too.
All right,
Question
here we
is, do
go.
wanna
Would
be a
you
mermaid or
rather?
not?
Would you rather be the teacher at your school or the janitor?
Teacher.
Teacher.
Janitors make more money.
I'd rather
The
be a
teachers?
janitor.
Oh my gosh, that's sad.
They make $43 an hour.
Because I'll just clean up, get paid more. Not have to yell at children.
You don't have to with these kids.
Well, at least you'll be that cool
I'd rather be a
teacher everyone
teacher.
likes.
So I don't have to.
Janitor, my school's really cool.
All right. Would you rather be invisible or be able to fly?
Fly.
Fly.
Why?
Invisible.
Why?
Are you just saying the opposite of what we're saying?
I don't know.
Why would you rather be invisible?
Sneak into an airplane.
Oh yeah.
You can fly though, if you weren't invisible.
Going to
I
fly.
could be invisible and fly.
Yeah, you're right.
On
No,
a
you
downside.
can't.
On
No,
an
you can't.
airplane,
You can't.
you can't
be. It
literally
didn't
take
say
off.
be invisible and fly. It said just to be invisible, which means
he'd
I can be
invisibly-
invisible and just walk
He
into a
means
delta.
he'd invisibly go
You
on
could
an
do that.
airplane.
Would you rather lose your ability to speak or to have to say everything you are thinking?
Not be able to speak.
Have to say everything I was thinking. I don't have to say everything.
I can speak out my nose.
How would you?
Not have the ability to speak.
Would you rather have to listen to music all of the time or not be able to listen to music at all?
Music.
All the time.
All the time.
Not be able to listen to music at all.
At all.
Music all the time.
Yeah, because you would have to listen to music
You'd
all
get
the time.
sick of it and you'd be like,
You would just find a different song.
Because you don't
but
have
if you don't
to.
listen to music, you just listen to life, you know, the birds, people talking.
I don't care about music.
have lived 100 years in the future or 100 years in the past?
1 year in the future.
In the
Future.
past, I'll invent everything.
Future.
And be a legend.
In the future.
Yeah, future.
I still think in the past, because I think the past is more
I'll be like,
youth. It's better.
thou can make
Everyone's
real.
together in the past.
Because you'll know everything that was already created.
Yeah, and then I'll be like in
Ah.
like the greatest person ever. I'll be in all the history books.
Would you rather have extremely small, freakishly eyes
Ew.
or an extremely large nose?
Big
I already have extremely large nose, so.
Yeah, we all have.
You would want small, freakishly eyes? Extremely
Who said
small, freaky eyes.
Like
No
little
one said
beads.
that.
Little beads in your head.